We have a totally different, unrelated to four-wheeler video today. Today, on Ethan's new truck that we both got newer vehicles. So, today on his truck is 2016 Dodge Ram Rebel 1500. See that? We decided rock step-ups. Why rock step-ups? Because they protect from rocks and they make the truck look cool. So that's what we're going to do today. We're going to give you guys a sneak peek view of how to do this. It's kind of not four-wheeler related, but this truck pulls four-wheelers, so does mine. And for all you that say, oh, well, you should have bought a Chevy, we have one. Welcome to the new 2016 blacked out midnight edition Z71 Silverado. That was mine. But today we're going to work on the Dodge. Ethan ordered these step-ups. He got a deal on them, and he's like, John, I really want to put these on my truck. Thank you for starting your truck in the middle of me talking. But he said, I really want to put these on my truck, and we're going to go take a close look at one of the step-ups, and I'm going to show you exactly the material they are and how they sent them to us, because I actually think they're really nice. These are actually powder coated. Let me see if I can get in a little bit closer to that. See that? Yeah, they actually come factory powder coated. It's actually a really nice deal. I like the way they look. I'm thinking about ordering a set for my truck, so if you guys want to see us put some on a Chevy, like I said, just comment below. And we're going to start putting these together.
You know what? I can't pull this in my garage with all the four-wheelers in there. You get a set of these from Bully for like $500 or $600. If you do a little digging on the internet, you find what you're looking for. You get a nice set of these for a couple hundred, because I can guarantee you that when I trade this truck in a year or two, the dealer shit's not going to care if they were $1,000 or $8. They're going to tell me the truck is white, it's only worth 50 bucks. So, you know, this is more for me and less for them.
So, I have a good feeling it's going to mount here.
And we're going to go here, there's two back here, and there's two up front. So this is going to be fairly simple.
Probably got to pull that off.
Remove your warranty void if remove sticker.
Yeah, you don't need that. Nobody cares about those anymore.
It's actually not bad.
So we're going to get this started, and when we start hanging the brackets, we'll show you how that goes. Alright, quick update, guys. Found out that this truck actually has holes that are already ready for bolts. They're not supposed to be like that, but they are. Don't know why, but thank you, dear Jesus, for that. So we're going to get some brackets mounted and show you how that works. Alright, guys. This is what your bracket's going to look like. You want to leave them loose whenever you're mounting something that mounts to another bracket and then mounts to something, because if you tighten them up all the way, it's a lot harder to adjust and everything fits. Alright, after fighting with these Chinese instructions that don't tell you a darn thing, we're going to show you how this actually works. So we sat here and fought with this stupid pinch weld bracket, figuring out where it goes. Because one picture says it goes there, one says it goes here, one says it goes over to your mom's house. Whatever, I don't care.
Yeah, black and white truck, black and white instructions. Perfect.
So what we're doing is the pinch weld goes on the outside.
Yep.
The bracket goes to the outside. The block washer, the washer, and the bolt go through the outside.
Yep.
With a washer and a nut. And then it goes on to the second hole.
And then, so this upper pill-size hole here does nothing.
Yeah, this hole is what he's talking about.
That's a wasteful adjustment hole for apparently a different truck. But on the obverse side that you're going to put your pinch weld bracket, you want to go ahead and mount your actual step-up bracket, so you got a good purchase. And then it gives you, you know, all your adjustments so you can move these in and out where you need them to be.
Did you guys understand that?
Yeah, you know what, most of you guys are just going to pause on the picture, which is fine, so let's just get a good shot of the picture. Can I borrow that camera? Okay, inside and outside. That's the easiest way to make this. Boom. All right, we're back with John's favorite position, pulling up his pants. He was on his back for a while there. Isn't that awesome? Okay, we had to take the camera away from John because none of you are going to be able to deal with Steadicam. What is this? What is this? What is this? Okay, just giving John flack. All right, we got the Chinese brackets on with the Chinese instructions, using the Chinese bolts the American way. So, may or may not be wrong, but seems to be the most logical way to mount them. I'm pretty happy with that. They are loose right now, obviously, because it's not completely attached, and you're going to tighten this up and go to put your step up on there, and it's not going to be right. So keep them loose. Once we can get it Keep them loose. Once we can get it lightly attached, we'll bolt it down. We'll do our best to level it out with the truck. Obviously, we're on a slight incline right here, so we're not going to be able to actually put a level on it.
We'll put a level on it. Let's see what happens. Should still be level either way.
Well, it's not really how levels work, but
I know.
it'll be close. So, John and I are going to take a 30, 40, 50-year breather, and we'll be right back. Not bad, actually. It looks pretty good. A little lower than I was hoping for. Hopefully we can fold them up and in a little, yeah. Well, maybe not. I mean, that's a little extreme, but yeah.
Still a lot of adjustment we gotta play with, you guys.
Yeah, right now we're in mobility mode. Any lower, you could drive a wheelchair up into the back of the truck.
Can't say that.
Hey, handy-capable people need to party too. I am interested to see how low they come off the ground when I put the truck in enter access mode and we drop it all the way down. That's going to be interesting. Yeah, oh, auto folders. All right. Add a couple actuators. We can make this happen. All right, we're going to get this sucker tight, and I'll give you an after picture. It's really nothing other than just tightening the bolts.
All right, it got really bright out all of a sudden because the sun decided to come out. But they're installed! Let Ethan know what you think, because it's his truck. So I think they look pretty good. Well, this one does. We still got to do the other side. We're just gonna do the other side, and then we'll come back when we're done, and we'll go ahead and show you guys the after effect on both sides and show you exactly what the whole thing looks like. But all in all, in first perspective, it actually looks pretty decent. A little bit better than I thought it was going to look. But yeah, so that one's on. We're gonna go ahead and do the other side. See you guys soon.
It's either gonna be really cool or really bad.
Run the truck lower to see what happens with the step-ups.
I think that's it. Yeah, I think
Look
we're
at
good.
that. We still got clearance, guys. All right, so this is the other side all installed. Got it all done. I kind of went a little quicker because we knew exactly how to do it. The holes on these sometimes are a little corroded, so from factory, because they've been on the truck so long, since new and people drive them. So sometimes you just got to spray a little PB blaster in there and start the bolt. If you got a die and tap kit, it'd be nice to run one of those through them. But other than that, all in all, it's a pretty smooth kit. I give it an 8 out of 10. Looks and durability is great. Instructions could have been a little bit better.
Instructions get a hard 3.
Instructions get a 3. That's one of the reasons why I give this kit an 8. Also, they could have given you all the hardware you needed. In our package, there was a couple things missing. The normal manufacturers usually add 1 or 2 extra bolts and washers. Good thing we have a bunch of machine screws laying around, so the little brackets, we had the stuff extra for them.
Yeah,
all in all, I give it an 8 out of 10. Ethan, what do you say?
I'm gonna see if they fall off. I mean, that's the real test. For what they cost, the finish is spectacular. The welding is really good. The brackets are brackets. I mean, you can't exactly expect it to be amazing. Were they $1,000? No. Does it add the exact same amount of value to the truck? Yeah. I mean, I would say I'd give them an 8.
I'd give it an 8 out of 10, and later on in one of our other videos when we go four-wheeling or something for you guys, we'll go ahead and give them another review, just tell you how they're holding up, so on and so
Let's hit some rocks
forth.
with them and see if they get destroyed. Huh?
All right, but hey, we also have a sneak peek for you guys for what's going to be in our next video, so if you guys want to find out, I'm going to give you a quick sneak peek, and if you guys want to follow us and watch that, it is four-wheeler related, so we're going to give you a quick sneak peek real quick.
Booyah!
Booyah! Sneak peek. That's all you get. Sorry, follow along to watch the rest. You know, as always, Ethan and I always tell you, stay muddy.